Jwale le Floyd le ena le morapedise a ke kgone hore o tla fetsa ngwaga kwa.
If you look seriously, you'll realize that if we have one of us, ophume eceleni, asimncengi. Let me just tell you, abantu asebeke baba o-Secretary General kule sebe u7 manje. Ngoba sidlali. Noma ngabe uzazi ukuthi umkhulu, uyathandwa, uyikho konke, we don't care. We talk about our party. Laba bala kule party, abathi uma bebona umuntu engasebenzi sikhuluma lesazi ukuthi kwenze njani noma eneyinkinga noma onile. Ebese sithi awusuke. Akekho umuntu odala ukuthi uyohlala esikhundleni kuyozangena ezulwini. Ayikho lonto. Akuyona indaba yakho if you don't know. Ozubuza ukuthi kwenze njani. Kunabantu abaze bathi bafuna ukulokhu ukuprotesta ngoba sithatha idecision ethile. Kusho ukuthi ayikakheki le party le. Ayikakheki ngalendlela esifuna ngayo. Ngentshenda impela. Nani nivuma impela nize nixoxe indaba nibhale ngayo. Yini yona lo sifuna inkululeko la. Asivikeli umuntu. Sikhuluma nomonke umuntu la. Nalabe sathi kuqala bahambe azange sibaxoshe. Wayihambela ngoba kwakunezinto ezirong singafuni ukubaphoxa sitshena isizwe ukuthi bonini ngoba iningi labo loneli kukhulu. Manje why bese ningena indaba eningayazi? Aniyona high command. Aniyona high command. I-high command okufanele ukuthi ikhulume indaba zalenhlangano. Owenza kahle nongenzi kahle, owenza inkinga nongenzi inkinga. Akuyona indaba yawenu le sengitshena abadala ke manje nothi ngani. Ngoba ibona ngizokuthiwa impela bazobe beprotesta. Kufanele ngabe sithola inkululeko silela inkululeko siphisa siyavikela.
Awethu comrade discipline Maqabane unkateko uyishangane from Limpopo. I-MK party akuyona yamaZulu eyethu sonke sixakekile.
I'm not getting involved. I am Queen.
Hello Mzanyi, it's Ola Well. The MK Party Youth League launch was held in Claremont Sports Stadium in KwaZulu-Natal on the 16th of June 2025. The event was to get more young people involved in the party. The theme was Each One Liberates One, meaning each young person should help another person become free or successful. Jacob Zuma was the main speaker. He said young people must fight for their future. He's worried about poverty and the struggles in South Africa. He also said the party needs disciplined people. If someone breaks the rules, they will be removed even if they are loved. The crowd sang struggle songs and they introduced the Youth League leaders. Qebani is the Youth League president. Nkateko is the secretary general. The drama between Floyd Shivambu and Jacob Zuma camp started when Duduzile Zuma, Jacob Zuma's daughter, insulted Floyd badly on Twitter, calling him names and blaming him for the problems in the party. Jacob Zuma then stepped in, told his daughter to apologize, and warned her that she would lose her position if she didn't. She did apologize, but people noticed that she did not say sorry directly to Floyd. Floyd, on the other hand, stayed calm and said he holds no grudges. But just yesterday, Jacob Zuma made a speech where he attacked Floyd Shivambu, saying that Floyd is nothing and his minions can go and jump, meaning that he doesn't care about Floyd's supporters. This shows that the fight is not over. There's a clear tension between Jacob Zuma's loyal supporters and Floyd's group from the EFF. The MK party is now divided and the conflict is out in the open.